Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store on your Android phone. So open up your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on search, then type in Glo PUK app, then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you install this app. So click on install. After a successful download, click on open. So welcome to Glo PUK. Next thing you need to do is to click on new user right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on next, next, next. Enter your Glo mobile number right here. After you enter your Glo mobile number, click on here to agree to the term of service. Next thing you need to do is to click on request OTP. After you have successfully activated your Glo PUK app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this three slider from the top corner right here. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on PUK and serial number right here. And here we go. You have your PUK number right here. You can easily enter this PUK number in order to activate and unblock your SIM card without visiting any Glo mobile office. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.